Hey guys, Dore for Oneupreviewz. Let's go through the top 3 reasons why I like the Air Jordan 1 Low Travis Scott Olives so much. Number 3, it's an Air Jordan 1 Low. I wasn't the biggest fan, but Travis Scott has converted me. The fragment ones, oh my lord, they were so beautiful. Was not able to get a pair, but was able to get a pair in the olives, and it is a great colorway to have. And my number 2 reason why is because of the colorway. That olive is just beautiful. Ticks all the boxes, and cactuses are green. And my number 1 reason why I like the Travis Scott Air Jordan 1 Low in olive is because this is a women's exclusive colorway, and it's great things to see. Jordan Brand are listening. They're doing dope colors for the ladies out there, and let's just hope it's the first step in the right direction. All that said, if you want a detailed review, check out our YouTube channel, Oneupreviewz with Z at the end. Subscribe to us, follow us on Instagram and on TikTok. Same name, Z at the end. Until next time, peace.